Good morning, Mr. Mounet, and thank you for accepting to answer to this interview. You have been chairman of Syntec Informatique for the last 7 years. Can you tell us in few words what Syntec Informatique stands for?
Syntec Informatique is a French trade association for software vendors and IT services companies in France. It represents more than 1,000 companies, members, and it represents also 80% of the global turnover of this industry in France. We have 50% of services company, IT services company, and 50% of software vendors among our members. We can be compared to Intellect in the UK or Bitkom in Germany.
Syntec Informatique has published several papers explaining why and how France and Europe should strive to build a powerful software industry. Can you remind us what is at stake there?
That this industry is really a key industry for every country in the world and especially in Europe. The software business is in the heart of every information system, of every country, of every company, every household now, and it's absolutely key to have a strong European industry in this domain. By the way, it's also the most buoyant sector in the ICT market, probably 2 or 3 points above the overall ICT growth rate
Could you tell us now what are the main difficulties faced by European software vendors?
First of all, obviously, the European market is very fragmented. If you look at the US software vendor, he has at his hand 40% of the global worldwide market. In Europe, we have globally 30% of the global worldwide market, but completely fragmented with different languages, with different laws. And obviously it's more difficult, it's a lot more difficult to become international in Europe. The second point is the question of money and funding. The European software vendors are faced with a difficult access to capital and to the investment fund compared to the US. And we don't have the same quality and the same weight of venture capital industry in Europe than in the other part of the world, US and Asia also. Finally, I would like also to mention the skills shortage we have in IT, globally speaking, in Europe.
What action do you reckon should be taken by national and European authorities in order to support the building of a powerful European industry?
First, capital funding. We have to develop a solid investment policy and to develop public-private funds dedicated to the software industry, and I think it's the first step, and it's very important to reach this first stage. The second point is skills shortage and the need we have to improve the knowledge and the image of IT and software career for the students. The third point is obviously the international market and international markets, because it's absolutely key for a software vendor to become international rapidly, and so we have to develop new measures to help companies which want to export especially with tax rebate. The fourth point concerns innovation. It's important to develop public R&D in software, and the European Union needs to increase public funding for public R&D, but also we have to push private companies to invest more in R&D. And for example, in France, we have what we call the Crédit Impôt Recherche, which is a very good decision we have in place in France. The only point is that we need in France to extend the field of the R&D in the matter of testing, of adapting to market, international development, etc. Last but not least, and perhaps the more important point I would like to address is SBA, Small Business Act. You know the SBA, the American SBA. It's the obligation for public sector, the US public sector, to reserve a part of their business and to small American companies, innovative companies. It was very efficient, very positive.
Well, the European Union already introduced its European Small Business Act in 2008. Don't you think the measures taken were sufficient?
No, absolutely not. Absolutely not. Today, the measures concerning the Small Business Act in Europe are more an incentive. But it's absolutely not an obligation. It's not a part reserved. And it's very important that in Europe we have something like that to push the public sector to reserve a part of this business, especially in software, to European software vendor, and especially for small and medium-sized European software vendors. It's absolutely key to push and to accelerate the growth of these companies.
Okay, thank you very much for this interview.
Thank you, it was a pleasure.